May babaan pa doon?
Oo.
This is the room. This is the Osaka Joan Station. Tapos ayun yung doon na. This is the Apat. Kita ba ako? Yeah! Okay. Hi, we're going on the concert tomorrow. Hey! Ano sa'yo pa? Custard? Korewa custard cream. 5 minutes. Daijoubu desu. Sarap? Ano siyang custard? No. We're here at the Osaka Castle. So huge. There's a viewing deck upstairs. I'm going to roam around. Hi. Hi TJ! There's so many students. They are having their field trip. I'm having my field trip too. Ooh! Daming tao! Oh, dami means in Tagalog is many. This is the Osaka Castle. This is the line. Gusto mo pumasok? Ayaw. So just try to view from the outside. Ayan, pamaypay. Ito keychains, oh. Die cut. What did you buy?
Magnet.
Magnet and keychain, and then this one. Diorama. So we're going to build this. Tapos lalagyan siya ng acrylic na box. Mga keychains mo. Very turista na keychains. My stamp. My name. This is a traditional hanko. Nancy. Ah, tapos ito yung ano. Nakakalito, ang dami, ang saya. Parang ang saya, no? What the hell? What's this one? Ito, may nakasulat. Scale of Fortune. Oracle. Hi DJ! Hey, train station. We are at Dotonbori. Dito man. Yeah, ito yung Shinsai bus. Tada! Peace. We're here at Orange Street. Natakpan ng poster. Magkagano tayo. Okay, kawai! Ay, si Liko. Tapos may nagbabasking. Matatapos lang namin kumain. Hindi pala natin na-vlog dito sa Saizeriya. Bye-bye! See you next tomorrow! Bye-bye!